How do I add money to my Apple ID balance?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk through the steps of how to add money to your Apple ID balance. This is particularly useful for making purchases in the App Store or iTunes Store, or for increasing your iCloud storage.
What do you need beforehand?
Firstly, you'll need an Apple device, like an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID account. You'll need to have your payment information updated in your Apple ID account. This could be a credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay.
Adding money on an iPhone or iPad.
On an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to navigate to your Apple ID account page in Settings. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. At the top, tap your name to get to your Apple ID page. 3. Tap iTunes and App Store. 4. Tap your Apple ID, it should be at the top of the screen, then tap View Apple ID. You might need to sign in. 5. Scroll down and tap Add Funds to Apple ID. 6. Tap the amount you want to add, or tap Other to enter a specific amount. 7. Confirm your selection, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase.
Adding money on a Mac.
On a Mac, the process is a bit different but still straightforward. 1. Open the App Store. 2. Click on your name or the sign-in button at the bottom of the sidebar. 3. Click View Information. 4. Next to Apple ID Balance, click Add Funds. 5. Select the amount you want to add, or click Other to enter a specific amount. 6. Click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. There you have it. You now know how to add money to your Apple ID balance both on an iPhone or iPad and on a Mac. This method should help you enjoy more of what Apple's services have to offer. As always, if you run into any issues, be sure to check out Apple's support website for more information. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.